Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you about the tell you about the product. This is Oriflame Sweet and Love Nature Neem Face Wash and why you should be and why you are addicted to this product. What are the reasons behind this? This is a face wash. It comes from Oriflame Nature Love Face Wash. This is a gel type face wash. This is a branded company. This is a very uh, good branded company. And the company belongs to Sweden. Is situated in Sweden. This is a Oriflame Sweden face wash, Neem face wash. It can be applied to all types of skins. If you have dry skin or oily skin, you can apply this to this face wash. Uh, Apply this product, and it is ideal for boys and girls as well. There is no differences. So as a boy you can use this product. This is Oriflame Sweden Nature Love Neem face wash 50 ml. As you can see, it can remove antibacterial properties of neem, helps prevent blemishes and balances T-zones. It removes impurities and excess oil from the skin, leaving it soft and fresh without over drying it. You can use it on your face and then rinse off. Avoid the eye area, although it is dermatologically tested. So it bring no harm to your eyes. So this is a very good product. If you want to know more information, I place the link below. So you can come over here and you can see the product details. Thank you.